this house is actually, it's a 3-story, 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, and it's listed for 5.9 million pesos. And it's in a really nice gated community that's pretty much only 10 minutes from the downtown core or any of the beaches and all the entertainment and nightlife that you could want. There are several really good schools in this area as well, and this is a very family-friendly neighborhood. It has amazing amenities, but let's go check out the house first. So this house has had many upgrades. If you check around at the rest of the neighborhood, you can see there's some covered porches here, but other houses don't necessarily have that. You can see they have basic driveways, but this owner here upgraded these tiles. They put synthetic grass and then this custom walkway. Let's go check out the door here. When you walk in, you have the powder room right here. It's very nicely decorated. So this house does come furnished. Then you have this large mirror right here. It is perfect lighting in here. Now you have the TV room. You have the very nice kitchen, lots of counter space, very functional. Now the owner did say that the water that comes out of the fridge is actually an RO system, similar to the one you see on the sink here. So it'll make the ice and you can drink cold water from your fridge. You've got an oven and your 5-burner gas range up here. There is a propane tank up top on the roof. Now, this is a very cool feature. So the windows have some UV film on them, but you have this nice patio space out here. It's perfect for hosting or entertaining. And because it's covered, you can actually be out here when it rains and shields you from the sun. You have extra storage, which is very handy. That's all custom. You have a prep station here for your barbecuing, and they have an additional fridge. This is a very nice upgrade to have here because a lot of people don't have that, and you always find that you need a secondary fridge. Now, all of the upgrades you see here were done custom. This is a custom shoe cabinet. You can see there, it's perfect. Now, one thing to note in Mexico, a mudroom or closet of some sort when you walk in the front door is very rare. Shoes storage also very rare, so this is a very nice touch to have. Now let's go check up upstairs. As I mentioned, this is a 3-level house. Now upstairs you have the laundry machine and a sort of storage utility room. You got more cabinets here. You have a laundry sink there as well. So that's very handy. And you have a secondary TV room or bonus room. If you have kids, this is actually perfect. They have a futon here to host some of their kids' friends. You have a bathroom. So super nice bathroom, really large, glass shower, beautifully appointed. There's an exhaust fan right here, which is very important to have in a bathroom with no windows. Now, checking out bedroom number 1. Lots of natural light. It's a good size. I believe this is a double bed. Maybe it's a queen actually. This was all custom after the fact. They have a built-in desk because they have 2 teenagers, so they need working space. Let's go check out the other bedroom. This is a similar size, actually probably the same size, same bed, beautifully appointed. Nice custom cabinets again, lots of storage up top, and you have your built-in desk as well. Obviously, there's a makeup mirror there. Now, let's go check up the 3rd floor. This is where you're gonna find the master bedroom. The layout of this house is quite nice. So up here in the master bedroom, you have your own private patio. Again, very cool. Similar like the back patio, you have a covered porch, so you can be out here when it rains. You have a hose for watering your plants, very convenient. Now, the bedroom has a king-size bed. Nice and bright, lots of space. You have a desk in here, very functional, and you have a fridge. That's something you find in Canada or the US a lot. I've never really seen that in Mexico yet. Now, this is the walk-in closet, tons of space. I believe the ceiling height here is about 9 feet. And you have your vanity setup. And you have your water closet and shower. Again, huge bathroom and shower in here. We're here checking out the amenities right now. This is one of the nicest ones I've seen in a gated community. Let's check this out. So upon entering these gates, you need a key to get in. You will be greeted right here with the gym. It's a pretty nice gym, some really nice equipment. Racks, you got a mirror. Of course, there's air conditioning in here. And then you actually have two party rooms. They have this party room here that you can rent. So you can actually rent this party room out. They have a full wet bar and kitchen up there, and then there's an upper patio as well, or upper section that you can rent. Let's check out the pool and kids area. You have a kids playground. You have change rooms and bathrooms right here. You have this beautiful pool. Lots of shade areas here. That's actually something I really like, because oftentimes there'll be pool decks but nowhere to sit because it's so hot. There's a kiddie pool right here. And then there's more seating up here for entertaining. Now, let's go upstairs and check out the rooftop. Like I said, this is the second party room that you can rent. So you have a view of the entire neighborhood. So this is where you can barbecue, host a party, you got some shade, and of course you have bathrooms right here. Now the HOAs for this place are about 1,700 pesos a month, which is next to nothing. There are several other kids parks in the community. I think there's two. There's a dog park, there's paddle, soccer, and all that stuff. So it's a pretty nice little community. It's very safe, and you're actually very close to like Brit Academy, the downtown. You're like 10 minutes to downtown and the beaches and stuff. If you're in the market for a really turnkey, functional house for you and your family in a great family-oriented neighborhood, also very close to all the amenities, like you're 10 minutes or less to the downtown core of Playa del Carmen, same with the beaches, and if you want to go to all the restaurants, you're within 5 minutes, if that. This gated community actually has so many amenities, and it's very much a family community. There are tons of kids here, tons of teenagers, super safe, 24/7 security. And like I said, I think there's 4 or 5 different international private schools in the area. So very conducive if you're moving here from Canada or the US. This is a great house. Everything is super clean, it's super well kept, and a lot of custom upgrades that you will not find in other houses like this. So if you want something like this one, or if you're interested, comment below, and then we'll connect you on Corazon Properties, which is my new real estate listing site and brokerage where we help you find your house here in the Riviera Maya. If you have any other questions, just comment below. Don't forget to like and follow. Thanks for watching.